Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the facts. Check the file size and both source and target file systems because that explains the error. If the destination is FAT32, you cannot copy a file larger than 4 GB. Once you know that, choose a strategy. Make sure you have administrative access and enough free space, and prepare a USB drive, external SSD, or a network share. Now that prerequisites are done, decide whether to reformat, split, or compress the file to proceed with the transfer. You pick the best method based on risk and time. Reformat if the destination can be wiped. That immediately removes the 4 GB limit. If you cannot reformat, split the file with 7-zip or a split command, then reassemble at the destination. Make sure checksums match. Alternatively, compress into a solid 7-zip or create an ISO so the receiver mounts or extracts it. While doing this, monitor transfer speed and verify available space. Once done, prepare to move the resulting files. You now perform the transfer and validate integrity. Copy the file or split parts and immediately run a checksum like SHA1 or test the archive extraction to ensure no corruption. Once verified, reassemble any split pieces on the destination, and if you reformatted temporarily, consider restoring the original file system only after everything checks out. If you encounter failure, try a different cable, USB port, driver update, or network path. Make sure permissions aren't blocking the operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.